What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing great. And right now, we're getting ready to go to STI show. He just hit, but we're gonna go to the STI over there. I think it's in Ennis. I'm not sure, but it's close by. It's like an hour. And yeah, Brian's getting ready. I'm already ready. Like, I wore this shirt, but the back is blue now. So it's because I tried to get a different one, but the material on the other one was bad. So I just got this one with blue letters in the back. But yeah, I'm gonna show you his truck. He just got a deep. Yeah, like I was saying before, my camera cut out. I'm not trying to show his crib a lot, cause you know, gotta respect it. Color match right there. Yeah, he did get new lights. Yeah, ooh, I don't want to show his house number and everything. Yeah. Hube's on his way right now, so as you can hear him, I'm gonna record him. Ahí viene llegando, mira. Sí. He put the 17s on. He also did get new headlights también. They put it on yesterday. Ooh. Yeah, let's go. Let's head back inside because it's hot and we're gonna wait on Brian. So let's go. Right here at the gas station. Aquí dijo que la va a llenar hasta que se ahogue, so a ver qué. Cause yeah, he's been pumping for like the 5th time this week at the Jubera. What? Ooh.
It's preseason. Take football further with NFL.
Oof, right here at the ATM. Because apparently they don't accept card, so we're gonna get some money out. Pues, a ver, I might not buy a shirt because I just ordered one from Freddy, so it should be getting here next week. So a ver qué, but yeah, let's head away to the show. A ver cómo se pone, and it's gonna be lit. Badass trucks over there, and hey, I'm down to go to OTM. Oof, in Houston. Get that badass shirt. Ooh. All right, guys, stay tuned. Okay. Alright guys, so right now we pulled up. Aquí I'm about to go walk around, a ver qué se mira. But my bad, I was taking pictures. But yeah, we're gonna walk around with qué se mira. Right now, moving Hube's truck. They're gonna put that one in. That's not like they're gonna put it back inside, and then I'm gonna reverse it back. But yeah, we're gonna walk right now. Y pues a ver qué se mira. Hopefully, who's over here, say what's up, and then yeah. Well, let's go. I came to do una vuelta nomás, a ver qué se miraba and shit. So what's up with the vlog? Ooh. Ooh, pulling up to the show right now. It's pretty packed. The hood right there. This gate. Let's go see. Alright, we're here at the show, walking around now because I'm gonna take some pictures. They looking badass, some badass trucks. Wait till we just saw Juan, Static Leo's friend and shit. Oh, I that Twang. But we're gonna go record that. Y pues, I'm gonna take some pictures. And, you know, again, follow. I think they're over there racing, no? Yeah, they're out there racing. So we're just gonna walk around right now. Yeah, que se mira. Stay tuned. know if y'all know Don Chuy from TikTok. I'll show y'all later, but yeah, he was just there. Bought him a shirt, and right now I think we're gonna go back to the booth.
Damn.
We're gonna go back to the tent. I think we're gonna eat some tacos, right? Yeah, I thought it's too hot. I need something to drink, some food. All right, let's head back. I forgot to record, but good ass taco.
Nah, look at that one right there. Damn, I think I need LTC.
Look at the view. I'm finishing eating these tacos and I'll pick up the camera.
That's the cowhood I'm telling you, bro, that I want.
Alright guys, right now we're gonna go just a little cruise, right? Una pasadilla que se mira. Shit. Ooh. But right now miramos a Static Dad, pero no se mira ahorita. Oh, OBS Canyon was over there. And that's it. Twang and yeah. Look at these trucks. Acá está seco. Una vueltecilla nomás. Y'all go see the pictures that I'm gonna post later. I took some pictures. And that's like 5, but yeah, stay tuned. Okay, ahorita se va a hacer algo aquí. I'm gonna record. A ver si esta troca break next or no. Alright? So I'm gonna record. I'm gonna try to see if people they're looking somewhere else and they look at the truck, they broke the neck. So let's see if I can get some like 2 or 3 people. A ver si está Ram. Ooh, that's Ram right here. Just passing around with bottles and shit. Pero no, si mira mi mamá tomando me cuelga. So I didn't drink. Ooh, we took a big ass shot. Algo lighty. Some light. But nah, I don't drink. It's good.
Got him.
Right here laying down the truck, AC. Because last night, I slept like around 4:30. Who left my house like around what? 3:30? 3:30. They're having a little cook up for my sister. But yeah, I mean, I got up at 7. 6:30 I was showering. 7 I was showering. Well, it's already like 2 or 3. I don't know what time I'm gonna leave, but stay tuned. Look, I have a static dad. Ooh. Guys, I have a bad headache. I'm about to eat una torta right now. A ver si se me baja. Cause I have a bad headache, but look, he's about to make it right now. Look at this torta right here. I'm hungry.
Ay, qué bocota.
Chef Brian who? Ahora sí, Brian cooking tacos. A ver cómo salen and shit. El Hugo ya anda bien comido, míralo. For real.
You got it, Chris? Alright. Pablo, Chris. One shot, let's go! Big Dad in the house! Acá este güey. No pego.
De lo caliente que está este pedo.
Todo menos la vida, aunque sabemos que Dios nosotros y los casinos a divertirnos.
Aquí andamos.
Atlantis, Texas, you know?
About to take that bitch to the drag strip.
Ooh. Got the merge. Don't chew it and shit, you know?
El pinche sol ya la fucked up, pero
Hell yeah. That was Don Chuy from TikTok. I don't know if y'all see him. It's like Ado Santos, something like that. Hey, he's really cool. bought a shirt, and I took a picture with him. It was pretty cool. And right now, I think we're gonna wrap up. We're about to leave, and I'm gonna just record on the way out. The trucks, how cuales se miran and shit. But yeah, stay tuned, and you stay for this vlog for the video. Appreciate it a lot. It means a lot. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is the next day. That was it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Summer truck invasion. It's pretty dope, pretty badass. Bunch of people, bunch of nice trucks, and I'm looking forward to going to OTM. Suppose it's the last OTM in Houston. So let's see what happens. And yeah, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment if you haven't. And I thank you for all your support you have given me, and go follow that photography Instagram account. I took some badass pictures. I'm about to go post them one at a time. Yeah, y'all stay tuned, and for the next video it's gonna be lit.